Hi, thanks for taking a look at our Appsumo lifetime deal. Let me show you around and help you to discover all of our amazing features. No matter from where you work or in what industry, Writeseed can help you achieve more. Our platform offers you a vast range of solutions from AI images to semantic content optimization. Let us skip right ahead and try the first one, our long-form article writer. With it, you can write articles of over 2,000 words in length, including stock photos, tables, videos, and more. Based on a keyword or topic you need to provide, you will see a long list of related keywords in the first step, including search volume, CPC, and competitor difficulty. Simply select the ones you want to include, now select a title you want to use, and proceed to step 2. Here you can see and edit the outline of your article, as well as further details like adding a relevant YouTube video or changing the writing style. Once you are done with your changes, you can proceed to the final step, where you will see the full article for the first time along with important SEO metrics and a list of semantic keywords, which you can include to improve the ranking of your content. Of course, you can also switch the images to another one if you don't like our selection. Just enter a search term and click on the image you want to use. Thanks to our direct WordPress integration, you can directly post your new article to your blog, including meta titles, meta descriptions, and focus keywords for SEO plugins like Yoast, Rank Math, and many more. If you want to create content more quickly, you can also try our WordPress post scheduler, which allows you to create dozens of articles at once just by providing a list of keywords and choosing your language. They will get created automatically and published to your blog, including the upload of the main image, so that you can lean back and focus on another task. Let us skip right ahead and take a look at one of our other templates. One of our most popular and most powerful ones is the Pro mode. It allows you to use your own custom prompts along with additional features. All you have to do is to write it in the editor. On the right sidebar, you can see live recommendations which get updated based on what you write. If you like one of them, just click on them and they will get inserted right into the editor. Of course, you can also give the AI direct prompts. To do so, simply write your prompt down, select it, and click the button Let AI Write, and the result gets automatically inserted into the editor as well. Finally, you can also select sentences or passages to let our AI go more into detail and expand them. In the same way, you can have them rewritten by using the Rewrite button instead. With our Semantic NLP Writer, you can choose a keyword or topic and optimize your existing texts. Just paste them into the editor to see your SEO metrics and semantic keywords on the right. They will update in real time as you make changes to your text. Once you are happy with the result, you can export your text as .doc file. Our tool also includes a Chrome extension which lets you write with AI on every website you visit by adding 2+ signs to a prompt. You can use it to write emails in Gmail or articles in WordPress. Of course, you can also use our hotkey to open a chat sidebar to type in your prompt without leaving the site that you are currently browsing. There are many other exciting features we couldn't cover in our short intro video, like our social media post designer, our AI image creator, the custom template maker, or our paraphrasing tool. Thanks for giving our lifetime deal a try, and make sure to get your codes before our deal ends.